6 Programming Essentials. Introduction. Have you ever wondered what you actually need to learn to program? With so many programming concepts out there, loops, functions, data types, it can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you there are only 6 fundamental pieces you need to express every algorithm? The core table. These are the only pieces you need. In theory, you can build any program with just integers 0 and 1, assignment to store values, simple addition, comparison to make decisions, while loops for repetition, and a way to write steps in order. That's it, just 6 essential building blocks. Why each matters. Why are all 6 essential? Remove data and you have nothing to compute with. Remove state and you have no memory. Remove arithmetic and calculations become impossible. Remove comparison and you can't make decisions. Remove control and there's no repetition. Remove sequencing and you can't order your steps. Take away any one piece and you can't program every algorithm. Python example. Here's how it looks in Python, all 6 parts working together. We have data with our numbers, state through assignment, arithmetic with addition, comparison and control with our while loop, and sequencing as each line executes in order. Practical extensions. Now, you can build every algorithm with just these 6 pieces. But for convenience, most programming languages add helpful features like strings, if statements, functions, print statements, and more arithmetic operators. These make programming easier, but they're built on top of our 6 fundamentals, your foundation. So here's your complete programming foundation: data, state, arithmetic, comparison, control, sequencing, plus the convenient additions of functions and print. Master these concepts first, before moving to advanced topics like lists and arrays. Try it yourself. Here's a complete Python example using all these concepts. Copy this code and experiment with changing the values. You now have the tools to program anything.